Today's recipe comes from A Guide to Modern American Cooking, Brimar Publishing, 1988, by Pol Martin. He spells his first name P-O-L. It's not a very well bookmarked recipe. Looks good. There was one bookmark, and we have our choice of 3 recipes: pineapple chicken, chicken livers masala, and pork tenderloin sauté. I'm not really a chicken liver kind of guy, but the pineapple chicken sounds good, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm also modifying this recipe. It was originally designed for a frying pan. I'm going to be using a crock pot. And I'm going to be adding some ingredients to this and taking one out because I couldn't find it. So I'm going to read the original cooking instructions and then how I'm doing it with the crock pot. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 chicken breasts skinned, halved, and cubed, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 3 tablespoons of pine nuts, I couldn't find any, 14-ounce can of pineapple chunk, 3 tablespoons of wine vinegar, 1.5 cups of chicken stock heated, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of cold water, salt and pepper to taste. I'm adding 1 cup of chopped orange peppers and about 1/2 cup of chopped celery. These are the original cooking instructions. Heat oil in a large frying pan, add chicken, ginger, and pine nuts, season and cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stir once. Drain the pineapple and reserve 1/2 cup of the juice. Add the pineapple chunks to the pan and continue cooking 3 to 4 minutes over low heat. Remove the chicken pieces and set aside. Add vinegar to the sauce and boil 1 minute. Stir in pineapple juice, chicken stock, and soy sauce. Season well and bring to a boil. Cook 3 minutes. Mix the cornstarch with the water, stir into the sauce and bring to a boil. Cook 1 more minute. Replace the chicken in the pan, correct the seasoning, and simmer over low heat until heated through. Now with the crock pot, I'm just going to add the chicken breasts whole, and then the ginger, the pineapple, about 1/2 cup of the juice, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste, orange peppers, and chopped celery. Cook on low for 5 hours. Well, I cooked it for 5 hours, and it smells great, but it was a little watery. Now, what probably happened originally is most of that liquid would have been burned off in the frying pan. I did it in the crock pot. So I mixed it with some egg noodles. Also added another tablespoon of cornstarch to help thicken it up, and that did the trick. It is very well cooked. Like I say, it smells great. The chicken is done to perfection. It's probably going to be a little too hot to eat, but give her a try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me try some of these peppers. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So that would explain why I'm not losing weight. Well, this was pineapple chicken from A Guide to Modern American Cooking by Pol Martin, Brimar Publishing, 1988. Another one of Mom's favorite cookbooks. Not a lot of bookmarks in this one, but the one that was marked, ooh, look at that one. Ooh, raspberry rice. No, I'll have to try that at another time. The one that was marked, pineapple chicken, was a winner.